This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, man. So, I told y'all that I was actually about to go to the gas station. I thought about it. Bro, I can make it home, bro, with this gas I got. So, we are going to the crib ski. I ain't gonna lie. Cause, yeah, bro. Trying to make sure that y'all can see everything. Hold up. Give me a second. Alright. Hopefully y'all can see everything. If y'all can't, then this is gonna be a waste of a POV, right? Damn. Yo, bro, I haven't drove at night in a little minute. I try to be in the crib by this time. Shoot. Especially where I'm going. Like, where I'm going, I really need to pay attention. So if y'all, like, if I'm not talking as much, my bad. It's because I'm really trying to, like, pay attention, bro. Because, damn! My fault, bro. Look. Yo, bro, Virginia got to get it together, bro. It's potholes every goddamn where. Or, like, dips and, yo, bro, stop. Come on, bro. All right, hold up. Told y'all it's been a minute. My tent's so goddamn dark. Can't see shit. There we go. All right, but yeah. So if I'm not talking, my bad. It's just I'm trying to pay attention, all right? Because it's nighttime, it's cold, and it's snow on the roads. Some roads, not on all roads, but on some roads, it's snow on the road. So you really gotta just pay attention, bro. Like, the drivers that have you, like, who up watching this, if you drive, bro, and you've been driving when it's snow and when, you know what I'm saying? You know what's going on, bro. You get what I'm saying? Just gotta be cautious, bro. So, yeah. But heck yeah, bro. Like I said in the last video, I don't know which video I'm gonna post first, but my exhaust, I'm getting that done soon, bro. I was trying to get it done in the last video, and the dude wasn't there, bro. He was not there. So, I mean, it's nothing I could do, bro. I definitely did try, though. So, damn, bright lights, bro. Oh, there you go. Gotta goddamn be careful and shit. Damn. Yo, I love this car, bro. Alright. Damn, you can't see nothing. I'm finna slow down, I ain't gonna lie. Cause I can't see anything. Bro, when we get on like little streets and stuff that I know, then I ain't gonna lie, I might hit that bit one time for y'all boys. But like, well, I ain't gonna sit right here and say I don't know these roads, but I don't know what like the potholes and shit are over here. And I don't want to hit nothing crazy, because I'm not gonna lie, on my way over here, bro, I hit a crazy pothole. I'm talking about one of them jumps that lift like the rear end of your car up. Yeah, it was bad. It's like if I was like on like my shit was lowered more, bro, my car probably would have been totaled. And I'm not even like trolling. Like, it was bad, bro. So yeah, my fault. God damn. Look at that, bro. We going to speed limit, bro. It do be sometimes, though, when you just want to... Hold up. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, nah, it do be them times, though, when you just want to, you know what I'm saying, just play with that motherfucker. Nah. Yo, I gotta chill, bro. Yo, I gotta chill, bro. Ooh, let me see, bro. Damn. I gotta get a thumbnail, too. I'm trying to think, where the hell could I get my thumbnail at? Of course, bro. If I was speeding, bro, I would have made it, bro. But I don't speed. I'm trying to think, bro. Where can I go to get a thumbnail? Like a late night thumbnail, bro. I'm trying to think. Late night thumbnail. I couldn't tell y'all, bro. Y'all can hear me like Like, I tap the gas, and then I get off of it, then I get back on it. You can hear all of that, bro. This just sounds so good, bro. But, like, I'm doing it, like, in a smart way, though. Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't just about to just ham on it, because one thing I can say, man, you'll be driving, bro. Oh, my God, these bright-ass headlights. You'll be driving, especially in Virginia. Bro, you'll be goddamn driving late night. You see how we chilling? It'll be a police sitting on the roof of that damn car. You probably wondering, like, how the hell that? I don't know, bro. How do you even get a goddamn Dodge Durango on top of that goddamn house? Like, yeah, they be tripping in Virginia, bro. Yo, bro, the police, they a little bit more creative, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So, yeah, bro, you gotta just be smart with it. Oh my goodness, bro. I cannot wait to get this joke louder. This joke gonna be so crazy, bro. And I know I got the plans that I'm gonna do. So this is my plans. So everybody who asking me to like just do a mid muffler delete and like cut the cats, and bro, I'm not gonna lie, in Virginia, that is illegal as hell. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yo, bro, that is as illegal as it gets. I want to be able to still pass like emission and all of that type of stuff. So I'm not gonna lie. You can say what you want. Oh, bro, you chickening out, bro. Nigga, I'm smart, bro. All right, now hear me out. It's still other ways you can make your car loud legally. Okay. So I pretty much know what I want to do. We gonna go. I'm gonna get headers. Now with headers, I'm kind of leaning more towards between BBK or JBA. Those are like the main two, unless I find some jumps that sound even more crazy, then you know we'll go with that. But those are what I'm leaning more towards. And then we gonna go either JBA headers or BBK headers, right? And then damn, so yeah, we gonna go headers. And then it's gonna leave the headers. You gotta have cats in Virginia. You have to have cats. I know, bro. But yeah, you gotta have cats here. So I'm gonna get some cats. I'm gonna get some high flow cats. And then damn, I love this car, bro. Yeah, you gotta have cats here. So I'm gonna get some high flow cats. Once I get some high flow cats, mufflers, you have to have mufflers here. Yo, bro, I'm sorry. Yo, bro, Virginia's low key weak when it comes to like sound, but like I already know what I'm gonna do. So yeah. Gotta have mufflers. So I'm gonna get Dyno Max race mufflers. I'm gonna get those. And then for my resonators, them are getting cut off. I'm gonna just cut the resonators off and then see how that sound. I feel like, bro, I haven't seen nobody do this, but bro, I feel like it's gonna sound nuts, bro. For what it is, like people gonna be like, bro, you cut your cats off? Like, nah, I didn't, but why you don't sound like that? I just got that feeling, bro. This shit don't sound beautiful, bro. Yo, bro, nah, this is actually the real deal boat. Like, it don't get no more boatier than this, bro. I'm telling you. But yeah, everybody who want Chargers and stuff, bro, trust me. Take it from somebody who drive one. I used to drive a Malibu gang. This is actually a boat. It really is. Yo, bro, you gonna hop in this car and you gonna go, damn, this car wide. Imagine how wide body red I feel. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna sound nuts. Hold up, it's a, yeah, here it go. Stop playing. Oh yeah, we back. My fault. Y'all know I like to stop my videos mid through just to make sure everything good. Oh my goodness, bro. Thumbnail, and how do I get in there? Bro, I've been in Richmond my whole damn life, and I've never figured out how to, oh wait. Damn, we just passed it. What the? Yo, I never seen that entrance right there. You probably gotta like pay or some shit to get in there, huh? I have no idea, bro. Hey, y'all boys drop down in the comments, man. Where y'all boys from? Damn. Ooh, yo, bro, that shit came out of nowhere. Damn. I can't wait to goddamn get my bro chat. I'm saying chat like I'm streaming. Yo, bro, y'all seriously do not understand. Like, I cannot wait, bro, to get some sound on this car. Cause then I ain't gotta like, you see how I gotta like smash on the gas for that bit to really goddamn get the roaring? Nah, not with that shit, bro. Like, that's just gonna sound beautiful, bro. And then my POV is gonna be so top tier. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to start crashing out though, like on video. Like, they be like, oh nah, he's wild. Yeah, I'm finna be on that type of time again. Heck yeah, bro. Gots to go home, ski. Gots to go home. The gas station that I'm looking for is in the south, so we pretty much, bro, we're in the south right now. Matter of fact, I came this way last time on my last video. I'm damn near finna, nah, I can't even take no shortcut, cause this is like the main road to get in there. And then I'm probably just gonna go for straight and then just cut into the gas station. Literally get a thumbnail, pull off. Damn, y'all hear that name up there, bro? Yo, bro, I don't even know if y'all can see that. It's a bridge. Well, it's a highway, I think, right? Is this a highway? It gotta be a highway, because bro, he just came through there be flying. It gotta be a highway up there. My fault, bro. I don't come, like, I'm not really no, you know what I'm saying? That's most definitely the highway. For sure, though. It has to be. Damn! Yeah, alright, bro. I'm finna slow the fuck down, bro. For the people wondering, no, I'm not actually going 44 miles per hour, alright, bro. I'm going the speed limit. But, like, bro, the roads in Virginia, bro, shit sucks. Like, I'm not even speeding. Like, yo, bro, you realistically cannot speed here. Like, was that a charger? What is that? Oh, that is not a damn charger. Why does headlights look like that, bro? I thought he was in a charger, bro. Yeah, bro. You realistically cannot speed. Like, all the people with stance cars and, bro, they know, damn, bro, don't bring your ass through this. What's this, Hall Street, I think? Bro, do not come this way, bro. I'm telling you. Don't even do it, bro. Don't even destroy your car again. It ain't even worth it, bro. Seriously. Wait, there's 2 lanes right here? Told y'all I don't be over here, bro. I ain't even gonna fake it to y'all. I don't be over here, but we over there bit now. So, whew, niggas' hands freezing, bro. Look, window down for y'all. Tomorrow, I'm freezing, gang. Like, freezing. Who y'all got winning on the takeoff? I'm going Jeep. Body in his head. Go ahead, bro. I knew. Okay, I thought I want, bro. I knew I wasn't tripping. I'm like, bro, it's 2 lanes here. All right, bro. I'm getting blinded, bro. Yo, bro. Damn. Y'all niggas turn y'all high beams. Is that... You know what? Never mind, bro. Can y'all please turn them shits off, bro? Nigga can't see. Like, watch, yo, bro. I'm about to start being, yo, bro. I'm really finna start being that guy, bro. I'm talking about, I'm finna just go get some dumb bright ass headlights. I'm about to go get a truck horn. All type of shit, bro. Yo, bro, cause why people be doing me like this, bro? I know I gotta hold up. I know damn we gotta get over right here though. I know that. Yeah, bro, people be doing me the worst way, bro. Like, it's crazy as hell. Bro, watch. Wait till, bro, just wait till I get some sound, bro. Oh, hell nah. I hit this shit earlier, bro. This shit ain't no joke. Yo, that's what sent me in the sky, bro. I swear to God. Yo, bro, that's what sent me in the sky earlier. I'm not even trolling. Like, I'm not even faking with y'all, bro. That shit sent me in the sky. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta stop doing that with my car. Like, if I'm gonna get this bitch gas, I gotta go all the way. Cause that little pat shit, at least until I get this bitch tuned. Whenever I put that Diablo, cause if y'all don't know, I'm getting my car Diablo tuned. Bro, when I put that Diablo tune, then I can do that. But the way my car is right now, I gotta stop doing that. Until I get the tune. When I get the tune, we can pat this bitch all day. You know what I'm saying? But let me get the tune first, bro. Yo, I've been waiting to see if them Jones go on sale. They go on sale, but it's the sale that they go on, it don't even look like it's a sale. Like, that's how expensive them damn things are. Like, I'm not even lying to y'all, bro. I know I keep it a man with y'all. Bro, I done seen them put them on sale. Dang! I done seen them put them on sale, and the sale don't even look like a sale. Like, bro, nigga, they probably knocked $50 off. Nigga, we don't want that shit still the same price. What the fuck are you saying? Man, bro, I think a Diablo tune, them shit shoot for like $400 to like $600 for the tune. And then, bro, come on, bro. Yo, bro. That's a lot. I don't know, bro. It's a lot of stuff that gotta get done to this car, though, bro. But I knew what came with it when I bought it. Because, like, as y'all can see, I ain't got no big radio or nothing. You feel me? Like, all of that type of shit I gotta put in here. What the hell you doing? Oh. Why I get behind this nigga, bro? By the time he turn, nigga, this light gonna be red. Look, I'm telling you, you gotta stay in this lane, bro. You get in this lane over here, bro. Man, yo, bro, it's bad over there, bro. I'm telling you, it's no joke. And this supposed to be the good lane, and this lane's still not that good, like, still not that great at all. But it's better than that damn lane. Damn. Yeah, god damn. Hey, bro. Alright, we gonna go through this light and then just make it right. Because the gas station's literally right here. Stop playing. I'm trying to figure out what way do I want to we're gonna put that bit right here. Forget it. Put that bit right there. We ain't gonna get no gas. Alright. Go ahead and start ending that bit, man. Appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. Bro, for everybody, bro, who really like sticking with me, bro, when my car is quiet as hell. Bro, y'all really the OGs. Watch, y'all can be the ones that say, yo, bro, his car used to damn near sound like a V6. I'm not even lying to you. Y'all gonna be them ones, bro. Y'all gonna be one of them members, bro. They can say that. Appreciate y'all boys for watching, bro. We is in the goddamn, you feel me? We is damn near in the trenches. No cap. Hold up. I'm about to get out here, do a 360 of the car, bro, and end this bit. No cap. Whew. Damn. Woo. Yeah, bro. We gonna end this bit right here. For sure. Oh my god, no, this shit looks crazy. Hold up. Wait a minute. Now, this shit looks so hard, bro. I just gotta clamp my size in. Like I said, it's too damn cold to be. This shit beating like that. Damn. Nah, look. It's too cold to be like, you know what I'm saying? Damn. Yeah, nah. So that's why my size not in. See, look, like, right here. I mean, it's really not that bad, but, like, it still needs to be put in, you feel me? It'll make the car look better. It's just too damn cold. So whenever it warm up, I'll finish slapping that shit on. But I'm not doing that shit right now, bro. Absolutely not. Too damn cold for that. But, hell yeah, bro. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm out there, be a man. Peace out.